Hey there fellas, we are here once again for another video tutorial about Raspberry Pi and the things we can do with it. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you don't want to miss or get left behind with the new videos that we're going to be uploading, just hit the bell button up on top. So what we're going to do today is we're going to adjust the brightness of a LED light and also the volume of a buzzer using a potentiometer. Here are the things we need. For this activity, we use Raspberry Pi 3 Model B+. We also used one LED light, jumper wires, one resistor, breadboard, a buzzer, and lastly our potentiometer. So what is a potentiometer? A potentiometer is a 3-terminal resistor with a sliding or rotating contact that forms an adjustable voltage divider. Potentiometers are commonly used to control electrical devices such as volume controls on audio equipment. The first terminal is allocated for the ground and the middle part is for the signal, and lastly, the last terminal is allocated for the 5 volts. So let's get started. We will start with adjusting the brightness of the LED light. First, we must set up all the components. Here is the picture of the placement of the wirings, LED light, resistor, and the potentiometer. As you can notice, the LED light and the potentiometer is connected to one GPIO pin, which is the GPIO 16. The last pin on the right side of the potentiometer is connected on the 5 volts of the Raspberry Pi, and the pin in the left corner is connected on the ground. The middle pin is connected on the GPIO 16. Also, make sure that the negative portion of your LED light is connected on the ground. So, here is the code for the LED light and the potentiometer. First, we just initialize the GPIO pin that is going to be used for the connection. Then, GPIO.output 16 GPIO.high will make the LED light turn on, and since both potentiometer and LED light is connected to the same GPIO pin, this will enable the potentiometer to control the brightness of the LED light. As for the buzzer, the same code is used. Here is the placement for the buzzer.
Ihinay.
Kusog na kayo. Thank you for watching and don't forget to enjoy your day.